What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We are heading to Goodwill right now. I actually have not really found much at this Goodwill in a couple weeks now, so maybe this video won't come out. Who knows? But let's head up there and see what we'll find to sell on eBay and Amazon. I'm really hoping some good stuff today. Let's go. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the Goodwill. Let's head inside and wait for this person to go so I don't get hit by them. Let's go. All right, you guys know what I like to check first, the media section, and what? Oh, it feels empty. Somebody definitely stole that. That's a good price, $2 from Modern Warfare. And Far Cry 5, $2. Lord of the Rings is in there. Yep, somebody went on a little stealing spree. Happens often. Looks like they brought the DVDs back down to $1, which is awesome. What about TV seasons? Seasons are, there it is, $3. You guys can see green is 50% off today, so these are not, but I'll stick them in the cart. We'll look those up in a minute. Stick those right there. I see some more seasons right here, except these are only $1. Not bad, we'll snag those. I like TV seasons, not because they have a lot of value individually. I pretty much just buy them whenever I see them, and then when I have a complete series, I'll sell it that way. If the price is low enough, like $1, I'll definitely take that. Let's see what else we have in here. This looks interesting, the Christmas Blessing. A lot of these Christmas movies, oh, and it's sealed. Sealed, that's awesome. A lot of these Christmas movies can do pretty well. What else do we have? Is that Misery down there? It is. Alright, so I'm gonna, oh, what's that? Supernatural? Oh, that's a PC game. Weird. Alright, so I think I'm gonna scan through some of this stuff, and if I find anything, I'll let you guys know. So I'm scanning through all the DVDs, not really finding anything, but I looked up and saw a whole bunch of PS2 games. Somebody was really into baseball and basketball, but no money in any of those. These are all $2 each, so that's not a bad price, but nothing really great there. And right up here we have another video game. This one's $3. It's a DS game. Wizards of Waverly Place. Not worth anything, so put that back as well. I think we're gonna have to go check the other side. Alright, let's see what we got over here. Oh, they moved the records over here. That's interesting. Alright, so this side has been a little bit better. First, we did get this House of Pain Tyler Perry, Volume 5. $3, selling for about $15 to $20 on Amazon. I grabbed a few more seasons for shows that I need. Downton Abbey for $1. I grabbed this for myself because I love the Dance Dance Revolution games. And then I found seasons 1, 2, and 3 of Ace of Cakes. So that could be something interesting. And then we just found this 5 Steps to a 5. Some AP US History flashcards. $2 on that. And take a look at this, guys. Here it is, pretty decent rank. Selling, you know, you'll make about $4. We could actually add about $2 onto that because FBA is coming in at $19. That's how I'll sell it. So about $8 minus my 2, so $6 in profit. Not bad. All right, looking through the books here, and I found one right here, The Chosen Few, for $2. And take a look at this. There we go. The rank is pretty high at over 2 million, but it still will sell. Look at that, used coming in at $36. I'll make about 22 after fees and what I paid for it, so I will definitely take this. So I'm looking at the shoes here. I found these interesting little Skeletos by Fila. They have little toes in them. They're $8, which isn't bad, but they only go for about 25 or so on eBay, so I'm gonna leave them. So I just put back most of the DVD box sets because I was smart, and I did something that I've been wanting to do forever. I organized all of my DVD box sets that I have by season, by how many I have of each season, and by the title to see which ones I need to complete certain seasons. So a lot of these were from bulk buys, so I have a miscellaneous amount right now, so I'm not trying to buy things from seasons or series that I don't need at the moment. And I just realized something. This is $500. What is $500? This. Guys, is this worth $500? I don't think so. It was $200. Or maybe it was $500 and they brought it down to $200. I don't know. It seems expensive for a piece of furniture at Goodwill. This guy agrees. Wait, is that Doctor Who? think that's Doctor Who. So I came back to the books because I left, there were a lot of people here, and I looked up here and look what I see. This is kind of interesting. Mars Attacks. I flipped it over and look at that crazy cool art. That is just, I don't know. I like that. That's really cool for only, I believe, $1. It's a good deal on that. We'll stick that in the cart. Now, it's not super valuable. I just like it, so I'm sticking it in the cart. You could see right here on Amazon has a bit of a high rank. Sells for $8. FBA is coming in at $10.78. I'd probably profit about $1 or $2 on it, but I think I'm just gonna put it on my shelf, facing out like that. It looks so cool. I'm still looking through the books. I don't scan every single one. I just look for things that stand out to me and see if anything is worth anything. Here we go. We got Doom strategy guide for $2. Some strategy guides are worth some good money, guys. This one's a little dirty on the front here. I'm gonna have to clean it up. But the inside is very clean. Looks very nice. How's the back look? Pretty good. I scanned it in already. Take a look at this. 976,000 ranking books. Not bad. Brand new. This thing's going for almost $100. Used, 34 bucks. $20, and it costs 2. So yeah, I'm gonna make about 20 bucks on this. Not bad, I'll take it. It's starting to add up now. So I didn't find much more in the book section, but I came over to the VHS tape section, and I thought I saw what looked like Kindergarten Cop, but it says Cop and a Half, and I'd never heard of this before with Burt Reynolds. Doesn't that look like Kindergarten Cop? Well, I pulled it up for you guys so you could judge for yourselves. I want to know which one came out first, because those covers look very similar. Very similar. The Cop, the it looks really close to me. Let's see, when did Kindergarten Cop come out? 1990, and this tape came out in 1993. I don't know about that. Put that back on the shelf. So I went through all the VHS tapes, and I actually found a few good things here. We found a DVD set mixed in. Absolutely Fabulous, series 1 to 3 for $1, going for about 15 bucks. We got a cool Pokemon Charizard VHS tape. Didn't even look it up, but it's only $1, so I'm snagging it. We got Bananas in Pajamas. Do you guys remember Bananas in Pajamas? Show Business, $1, and this was going for like $27 to $30. And then SpongeBob goes Prehistoric. I remember this, $1. It's actually half off, so 50 cents. And this guy was going for about 15 bucks as well. So definitely some good value mixed in here. I'm surprised I found all of this. I think I looked through everything. I didn't scan every single thing, because some of these things, like, I don't think that's worth anything. Maybe Arthur, because it just ended on TV. So we'll look that up. And also, I've never seen this before. Tweet and Lovely, so we'll check those out, see if they're anything. So Arthur was not worth anything, but Tweety surprised me. Tweet and Lovely, take a look at this over on Amazon, selling for $12.81. Has some reviews, so people are buying it. Let's see how much that is after fees. It's only $1. Oh, it's 50 cents, so it's half off. Make $5 on it. I mean, yeah, why not? I'll take it. I gotta check to make sure the tape looks good inside. And yep, it looks clean. Cool, we'll take that one too. Alright guys, so we just left the Goodwill, and here is everything I ended up picking up. You saw pretty much all of it. That Doom book, pretty sweet for 35 bucks. The VHS tapes, hey, I'll take them, right? I haven't sold VHS tapes in a little while. I've been mostly focusing on DVDs, and DVDs have been great for me, but you gotta go back to the roots every once in a while. Books, so it's pretty much just a straight media haul besides this study guide right here. Oh, I don't want the wind to blow this door into somebody's car. It's very windy out here. Close that up. So yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm pretty stoked about it. There's definitely over $100 worth of stuff right here. So hey, I'll take it. Easy trip in and out, about 30-45 minutes. Not bad. Time to head home.